Hello, this is Cherie for Just.nailedit. I want to do some stamping today. I got this plate out. It's a big one. This is by Finger Angel XL14. I think this is a beautiful plate. Beautiful. Got some hot pink nails out. What I did, they are hot pink. I can't remember what pink they are. If I'm not mistaken, it could be this pink right here, which is Barbie Land. Not 100% though, I'll tell you that right now. I've got so many polishes on my desk. But if I'm not mistaken, it is Barbie Land with a foil over it. I don't have the foil out anymore, I put it away. It's a beautiful foil though, and what we're going to do is we're going to stamp, as you see on the index and ring finger. I've put stamping, I did this image here and this image there on the ring and index finger. And then we're going to, oh buddy, we're going to put some pigments over them. That's what we're going to do. By George, that's what we're going to do. I got my stamper, my scraper, my oh good lord, I'm gonna knock everything down. I've got my stamper, my scraper, my foil, foil out here. Just gotta get some stuff out here to get ready going, and we're gonna be crack-a-lacking. So we've got our index, we got a ring, pinky, middle, and thumbnail to do still. Try to find a thumbnail image here. What's that party? Oh, how about this one right there? Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Wipe your brush. Wipe your brush. Oh, it's got a little butterfly in there. I see, I see. Scrape it. Pick her up. This is a beautiful image. Beautiful image. Let me take her out here just so I can see her. Right here. Okay, we are going in for the thumbnail. Rocket. I hope I got the butterfly. I think I did. I got one there. And there's one right there. It is party. Now, these are semi-gel for the middle finger. Oh, I see the one I want. Put this one right here. Yes. 3 roses, I think they are. I think there are 3 roses. That's what I think they are. 3 roses. One nail to do after this. Right on. Okay, uno más. Uno más. Uno más. Let's see, what do we want? What do we want? Those are lilies. Let's see. Could do this one and turn it around. Turn it around the other way and put butterflies everywhere. I think I will. I think I will, George. Up beautifully. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Sorry if I'm on camera. Trying to pick. I mean, it's hard doing white on white, but I think I got it. I think I got it. Let me see. So I'm gonna have to put her like this. I think I do. Which way to put it? I really don't. Butterflies, butterflies. Again, this is a finger angel plate. Super cool. Where to put it? Don't know where to put it. These have to go in the lamp for 60. We will be right back. What do we have? Some butterflies, I think. Okay, here's some glue. So I'll have to glue out. Okay, where is the glue now? I want some glue. I want some glue. I want some glue. They can't match colors, so that's a problem. It's always been a problem. I cannot match colors. There's yellow. So I guess we'll put some yellow right here. So where's my brush? Brush her off real quick. Here be the pinky nail. Ring finger is done. We've got the index and the roses. Roses, roses, roses. Everyone. Where's my yellow? Purple and yellow go together really well. And we need some green down below. Oh Jesus. Sweet Jesus, help me out. Okay, There is our middle nail. And our thumbnail is last. Let me see. We've got a blue butterfly. Butterfly. We got some greenery, and let me see here. I wanted to do it all green, but there's some yellow in there as well. Here we go. Here is our nails, pigment induced, I guess you'd say. I'm going to clean up and we will be right back. We're going to use Modelones non-stick gloss powder resist gel top coat. This is a must-have. Use my code NAILEDIT67, save yourself 10% off. Visit SheModern.com. Check out the catalog. Check out the catalog for all your stamping nail art needs. Sure, all the sides are top coated. Cuticle free edge. Yes, sir. We're at 60 cents a lamp for 60. Okay, here we go. Here is our finished painting. We used old SheModern pigments, or they could be new, I can't remember. But we used the pigments. I think this turned out really super cute with my finger angel stamping plate. I just wanted to use this plate. I've had this for a while. Thought it was super cute, and it was calling to me, use me, use me. And I did. And I think these turned out really super cute. We got the, what is this called? Hummingbird. Hummingbird drinking the nectar. I think it turned out really cute. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, any giveaways that may pop up through the rest of the year, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.